What's up, everyone? This is Scott with Prestige Worldwide Sports and Cards, pwwcards.com. We're getting ready to do a personal box break of 2014-15 Panini Prestige Basketball. Getting ready to do this for KB Rules. So good luck, my friend. Go ahead and crack it open and see what we got. Hopefully we got some kind of monster. Wiggins or Parker or, the man himself on the cover here, KD. Yeah, nice Kobe. Kobe auto would be nice. We've had a couple of those recently. This box is always fun to open. Empty box, as you can see. Here are the boxes. Do you have a preference in how they open? Here's the bottom two, and here's the top two. Care about the order at all? KB? Doesn't matter? Alright. We'll start with right here, bottom left then, closest to me. Good luck, my friend. Like I said, hopefully get some kind of monster in here. These clear packs can't hide the cards too much, at least not the back card. Alright, here we go. First up, we got a Kyle Lowry base. Get the camera up a little bit. There we go. Looking at the ground there. Kyle Lowry base. We get the Brandon Jennings base card for the Pistons. Ricky Rubio for the Timberwolves. Norris Cole coming at you for the Heat. These cards are so pretty. Next up, Danilo Gallinari for the Nuggets. Eric Green for the Nuggets, rookie base. C.J. Wilcox for the Clippers, another rookie base. And Jordan Adams for the Grizzlies, another rookie base. The first numbered card, got this parallel Brandon Jennings numbered 33 of 199. Brandon Jennings. Set that aside. And then we got this franchise favorites, Gerald Henderson of the Hornets. Nice Hornets logo there. Not numbered. And then our first hit is going to be a prestigious premieres. Who's that? Kyle Anderson of the Spurs. Nice on-card auto there for Kyle Anderson. Not numbered. Very nice. Greg Monroe for the Pistons. J.J. Redick for the Clippers. Base card. Get some focus there. Teron Butler for the Pistons. And finishing off this box is a John Wall. I'm going to do the John Wall and this base card. First box in the books. Not too bad. Got that parallel, numbered parallel in the auto. Let's find somebody with a bigger name for this next auto. What do you say? Next hit. Sure you wouldn't complain about that. A lot of base cards in these. Let's see. So we'll start this box off with a Nick Collison for the Thunder. Get some focus on that. We've got a Kawhi Leonard for the Spurs. Mouth is all open in that picture. We're going to get a Melo. The Knicks. And next up, we have a Trey Burke for the Jazz. DeAndre Jordan for the Clippers. Kyle Anderson base for the Spurs. I don't know if you want me to go through the base like this, but that's fine. Noah Vonleh for the Hornets. Boy, Noah. And then the numbered parallel to 199, C.J. Wilcox of the Clippers. A little red action there. And then we have another numbered parallel. This one is going to be for Aaron Aflalo, numbered to 99 for the Nuggets. In an Orlando jersey, traded to the Nuggets. And then up next we have Hardcourt Heroes, Joe Johnson. Not numbered, but that's a nice insert there. Joe Johnson of the Nets. Your insert. And then the hit for this box is going to be an old school Bobby Jones on-card auto, number 175. Very nice on-card auto there. Bobby Jones, number to 175. Tim Duncan base. Stephen Curry base. These cards are sticking. Ben McLemore base. And David West base. So 2 boxes down, another 2 to go. How many of you? How many of these have you done, man? You done much of them? 2. What's your big hit so far? Al-Farouq Aminu for the Mavericks. Paul George 101. Oh, dang. Nice. That's very nice. Goran Dragic for the Suns. Andre Drummond for the Pistons. Manu for the Spurs. Bradley Beal for the Wizards. There's a rookie base. Nick Stauskas, the Kings. A rookie base for Zach LaVine. Nice card. And then a numbered parallel, red, Carlos Boozer, number to 199, 180 to 199 for the Lakers. And another numbered parallel, 199, Jeff Green, number 118. We got this nice insert. Oscar Robinson, Prestigious Pioneers. The old school Bucks logo. Very nice. Not numbered. And then your hit is going to be Jason Kidd, numbered 20 to 25. Wow. Not 1 of 1, but still a nice low numbered hit there. Let's see if we can get that on the camera. 20 to 25. Sticker out of it still. Jason Kidd when he's on the net still. Yeah, there you go. Mason Plumlee, base. Rajon Rondo. Chandler Parsons, base. And last but not least, Tayshaun Prince, base. Bring in the base. All right, man. Last box. Still looking for. Still got that memorabilia coming with this last auto here, so hope that's something great for you. Yeah, that Kid auto was nice. Wish it would have been on card, but you know, take what you can get, right? Still nice. Tim Hardaway Jr. Mixed base. And then a LeBron James base card. Labrin. Darren Williams for the Nets. Jamal Crawford for the Clippers base. Kevin Durant, KD. Well, we got one. It's not the auto, but maybe that means there's going to be an auto of him, right? Mitch McGary for the Thunder. Rookie base. We can hope. Xavier Thames. Is that how you say his name? For the Nets. Nice low number parallel here. Chris Paul, number 5 of 49. Very nice low numbered parallel there. Set that aside. And then we got this insert, this Prestige Connections, Blake Griffin to Bob McAdoo. It's not numbered, but still nice insert there. And then one of your hits is going to be a Solomon Hill auto, number 199, bonus shots for the Pacers. And then your next hit is going to be Ray Allen. Little white napkin there, numbered 59 of 75. Ray Allen still in his Heat jersey. Like I said, number 59 to 75. That's your relic. That's your memorabilia there. For these last couple base cards, Nene. Terrence Ross, like a boss. Michael Kidd-Gilchrist for the Hornets. And then last but not least, we have J.R. Smith, now the Cleveland Cavaliers. All right, man, that's our break. Thanks for picking that up for us. Look forward to the next break with you on pwwcards.com. Thanks a lot.